Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is I ate 60 grams of protein in a day and this is what happened. So I'm gonna be sharing with you what I'm eating today, and I've been getting about 60 to 70 grams of protein for many years now. And some people might think that's not enough, but for me it works great. I've just stayed plenty strong and had personal PRs in the gym from pull-ups, push-ups, things like that over the years as I've gotten older. And again, that's only eating 60 to 70 grams of protein a day. So I'm gonna show you every single thing that I eat today. I'm gonna have a macro count, so you'll see the total calories, carbs, fat, protein, and fiber. And I'm gonna break each meal down so you'll know the total counts for each meal. I'm only gonna be eating 3 times. I'm essentially gonna have 2 meals and 1 little snack in between. And right now it's just about 1 o'clock. It's about 12:45. I'm having my first meal today. And I do intermittent fast. I fast through the morning, just drink water, maybe a couple of liters of water through the morning, stay nice and hydrated. Today's workout was cardio. I'm doing cardio twice a week and strength training twice a week. So yesterday I went to the gym and today I did a 3-mile run. So having my first meal here, just about 1 o'clock, and I'm starting off with oatmeal. I got some organic rolled oats. I cooked this up on the stove, and this is a serving and a half of oats. And I'm gonna add in some pecans. This is 1/3 cup pecans. Stir that in. And then I'm going to be adding, I get these from Trader Joe's. They have these raw, unsalted, unroasted pecans, really good. I'm gonna add in just a sprinkle of cinnamon. And then I got some cacao powder, organic cacao powder. This is from Trader Joe's. And I'm gonna put in 1 tablespoon of cacao powder. I'm gonna put in a tablespoon of brown sugar. And let me stir these around. Now next I'm gonna put in an apple. So I sliced up an apple. This is actually half an apple. And I'm gonna put half the apple in the oatmeal, and then I'm just gonna eat the other half, because I like apple in there, but I don't want it to be oversaturated with apple. So let's do it like this. Throw in the apple. And I'm gonna do blueberries. I have frozen blueberries. This is gonna be 2/3 cup of frozen blueberries. Throw that on top. And then I'm gonna do a splash of almond milk. So I'm just gonna call this a 1/4 cup. This is just gonna be a little splash of almond milk, not a whole lot. So this is gonna be the first meal, the first thing that I ate today at 1 p.m. It's gonna be this big oatmeal. I've been on this oatmeal lately. This is something I typically don't do as much in the warmer weather, but I do live in Bend, Oregon. It's been in the 20s outside, even during the day. I went on a run today, it was 25 degrees. So I've been doing the oatmeal, just loading it up with some fruit and nuts. And let me tell you what the totals for this thing is. And stay tuned through the video, because at the end I'll have the totals for the day. So this oatmeal here is 779 calories, 92 grams of net carbs, 19 grams of fiber, 34 grams of fat, and 16 grams of protein. So this is a great oatmeal. Now for smaller people, or maybe some smaller women, that this might be, almost an 800 calorie oatmeal, that might be too much. You could cut the recipe in half. You could just do like 1 serving of oats. You could do maybe a 1/4 cup of pecans. You could cut the recipe down. You could just leave a half an apple in there instead of using the whole apple. And then, you may have like 400 or 500 calories if you're not wanting to do about an 800 calorie meal. So I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna get back to work. I work from home, and then I'll be back later with, it's probably gonna be a snack. I'm gonna guess it's gonna be a snack in between this meal and then my dinner meal. Okay, my snack at 4 p.m. was a Sumo Citrus and a can of Tropical Gold pineapple. This is great pineapple to get if you're not able to get good fresh pineapple. It's really sweet and delicious. It was 430 calories, 92 grams of net carbs, 7 grams of fiber, 1 gram of fat, and 6 grams of protein. Then I had dinner at 7 p.m. I had some prunes, I had some coconut curry veggie tofu over rice. It's a really nice dish that I make, and I had about 2 bowls of that.
and I had some of these popcorn baked chips, and then I had a half of a dark chocolate bar, which I'll show you in a minute. Now for this dinner with the dark chocolate bar, it was 1,494 calories, 192 grams of net carbs, 23 grams of fiber, 51 grams of fat, and 49 grams of protein. And this is a really good brand of dark chocolate. It's sweetened with dates, and the name of this brand is DAT. So I recommend if you're gonna have chocolate, this is probably the best thing to get, organic chocolate. And that was it for the day. The totals, here they are: 2,700 calories, 376 grams of net carbs, 49 grams of fiber, 86 grams of fat, and it turned out to be 71 grams of protein. It's a little bit high for me. I'm generally in the 60 range. I generally have 60 to 70 grams of protein per day. This was a little bit higher. So there was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. I hope everyone has a great day, and make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.